Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best downhill ski boots available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to elevate your skiing experience, this video will help you make an informed decision. All product links are in the description below, so let's dive in. At number 4, we have the Rose's Idea Up adjustable ski boots for kids. If you're a parent looking for a budget-friendly, long-lasting option for your growing little skier, this boot is an excellent choice. The standout 6-in-1 technology allows the boot to expand and accommodate growing feet, covering Mondo Point sizes 16.0 to 18.5, US kids 9 to 12. This feature eliminates the need to constantly replace ski boots, making it a smart investment. The design is thoughtfully crafted for kids, with a lightweight plastic build and a soft flex that helps young skiers develop their skills without feeling constrained. The micro-adjustable buckle ensures a snug yet comfortable fit, and the fixed sole length means you won't need to remount bindings as the boot expands. Despite its kid-friendly focus, Rose's hasn't skimped on quality. These boots are durable enough to withstand the wear and tear of active use. On the downside, while the adjustable size feature is fantastic, it does mean that the boot might not provide the same precise fit as fixed-size models. However, with a 4.7-star rating and rave reviews from parents, this is a versatile, budget-conscious option for growing skiers that performs well on the slopes. Coming in at number 3 is the Nordica The Cruise Men's Comfort Fit All-Mountain Alpine Ski Boots. With its high-volume comfort fit and 104mm last, this boot is a dream for men who value a blend of performance and comfort. The dual soft flap instep is a standout feature, making the boots incredibly easy to put on and take off, a welcome relief after a long day on the slopes. It also features micro-adjustable aluminum buckles for precise fit customization. The build quality is excellent, with a durable polyurethane shell and infrared technology that allows for easy customization in pressure-sensitive areas. This boot is designed with beginner and intermediate skiers in mind, providing a forgiving yet responsive ride that helps build confidence on a variety of terrains. Its lightweight design, 7.7 pounds, and extra-wide fit make it particularly appealing for those who prioritize comfort on the slopes. While the Nordica Cruise is not the best option for advanced skiers seeking high-speed precision, its 4.8-star rating speaks for itself. This boot is ideal for casual or intermediate skiers looking for comfort, ease of use, and solid all-mountain performance at an affordable price. At number 2, we have the Nordica Men's Sport Machine 3 100 All-Mountain Touring Ski Boots. This boot stands out for its exceptional insulation and advanced features. The PrimaLoft insulation ensures warmth without adding bulk, while the 3D custom cork liner enhances both thermal protection and comfort. This is a boot designed for serious skiers who need reliability in various conditions. The Tri-Force shell maximizes energy transmission, providing an impressive level of control and responsiveness. The adjustable cuff profile and grip walk soles make this boot not only comfortable, but also incredibly versatile, transitioning seamlessly between skiing and walking. Its dual soft flap instep allows for easy entry, which is a nice touch for a boot in this performance category. While this boot is on the pricier side, ranging from $314.97 to $499. It delivers on its promises with a premium build and a focus on performance. With a 4.8-star rating and features tailored to the needs of intermediate to advanced skiers, this is a premium option worth considering. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nordica Speed Machine J2 Kids Alpine Ski Boots. These boots are an outstanding choice for young skiers, combining comfort, durability, and performance in one package. The plush liners and metal buckles provide a secure fit, while the replaceable soles add to the longevity of the boots. The inclusion of a weight adjuster allows for tailored flex depending on the skier's needs, making it a unique feature in this category. The design is both functional and stylish, with soft plastic inserts that make it easy for kids to put the boots on and take them off. The performance is solid across the board, offering a forgiving yet responsive ride that helps young skiers build their skills with confidence. At a price range of $93.07 to $165, it provides exceptional value for money. With a stellar 4.9-star rating, it's clear that parents and young skiers alike love this product. Ideal for beginners and intermediate junior skiers, the Speed Machine J2 checks all the boxes for comfort, adaptability, and affordability, making it our top choice for downhill ski boots. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.